Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we will study about binary tree traversal. In the last lectures, we have seen what is tree and what is binary tree. In this, we will see binary tree traversal. So first of all, we should know what is traversal. So traversal is basically to and fro motion from one point to another. That is from A to B, then back to A. Okay. So why do we need traversal? So traversal operation is used to visit each node in the tree. That is, if you want to visit E, then how you will visit? For this, traversal operation is there. There are three ways of traversing. First is pre-order, second is in order, and third is post-order. So pre-order, from pre, हम क्या समझते हैं pre से? Pre means पहले, so root will come first, okay? Then left node and then right node. Okay. Then comes in order. What do we understand from in? That is in between. So root will be in between. So left will be in the left and right will be in the right. Okay. Next is post order. So post means बाद में, last. So root will be at last. Left, right, root. Okay. So we will see this in detail. Okay. So now we will see pre-order. Okay. We need to find the pre-order of these two trees. Okay. First we will find the pre-order of this, then this. So pre-order, pre means pehle. So root will come first, then left node and then right node. Okay. So we need to follow this. Okay. So here, which is the root node? 1 is the root node. So in pre-order, root comes first. So we will write 1. Then where we need to go? Towards the left. We will move towards the left. Left node is 2. So we will write 2 and then towards right. That is 3. Okay. In this, what we need to do? First we need to go to the root. This is the root. Okay. So we will write A. Then left. Left of A is B. Okay. So B. B is again a root node for D and E. So we will write B and then we will move towards the left. What is there any left node of D? No, it is a leaf node. So D will be here, and after that we will move towards the right. E, then back to that node, back to A, and then from here we need to go towards the right. So we will write C. So now we will see in order. What does in means? That is in between, as I told. So root will be in between left and right. Okay. So we need to find the in order of this. So which is the root node? 1 is the root node. So we need to move towards the left because first we need to go to the left. So left of 1 is 2. Then we'll come back to the root 1 and then to the right side, that is 3. Okay. Up we will see the in order traversal in this tree. Okay. So which is the root? A is the root for these two. You can for this subtree and also for this. So A is the root node. It is the left subtree and it is the right subtree. Okay. So we'll move towards the left first. So we'll come to B. B is the root node for this two, D and E. Okay, so then we'll move towards D and we'll write D. Keep in mind that we should have to come in the bottommost left side first. Okay, so bottommost left is D is the bottommost left. So we will come to D. After that, where we need to move? Towards the root. Which is the root of D? B is the root. So we'll write B. Then towards the right. We'll move towards E. Okay. So this is all over. We will move towards the root. Next is root. Root is A. Root of B is A. So we will write A and then write C. That's all. So now we will see what post order. So what I said previously, that post means last में, बाद में. That is root will be बाद में. मतलब root will be at last. Left and right. Okay. So we need to find the post order of this and this tree. First we will go do for this, and again and after that we will go for this. Okay, so first is this one. Okay, so this is the root node. We need to move towards the left, because first we need is left, then right, then root. So this is the root. Left side is 2 and right side is 3. So we need to go for left first, then right, and then root. Okay, for this is the root node. We need to move towards the left first. This is the left subtree. Okay, so we'll come to B. Okay, then B is the root node for D and E. Then we'll move towards D. Okay, so left is D. What is the right of this? This is the root node. Then what is the right of this node? E. Then root node. Okay, then we'll come here and we'll move towards the right of this. So right is this, and again we'll follow the same route. Okay, this one, left right route. So this is the root node for F. So we'll write first F as it is in left. Then we'll write the right, we'll move towards the right side. There is nothing in the right, so we'll move directly to the root and then back to the root. Okay, I think it is clear. So here comes the bonus part of the video to help you all. I'm here with a trick to determine traversal operation of tree, which will help you in your ensigns as well as in other competitive exams. So now let us start. This is the problem tree in which you need to determine all the 3 traversal, that is pre-order, in-order and post-order. So for this you need to assume some things like when you reach the node for the first time, that node will be included in a pre-order. Consecutively, when you reach same node for the second time, it will be included in order, and like this, on the third arrival of the node, it will be included under the post order traversal. I repeat, जब भी हम लोग किसी भी नोड पे पहली बार पहुंचते हैं तो वो हमारा प्री ऑर्डर में इंक्लूड होता है. जब किसी भी नोड पे हम लोग दूसरी बार आते हैं तो वो हमारा इन ऑर्डर में इंक्लूड होता है, और जब तीसरी बार जाते हैं तो वो हमारा पोस्ट ऑर्डर में इंक्लूड होता है. ओके, आई नो तुम किसी को कुछ समझ आया नहीं होगा, सो लेट मी डू दैट. ओके, सो यू नीड टू अज्यूम द सब नोड फॉर ऑल द लीफ नोड. These are the leaf nodes, so you need to assume the sub nodes. Okay, imaginary sub nodes. These are the imaginary sub nodes. And what I told previously, किसी भी नोड पे पहली बार पहुंचते तो वो प्री ऑर्डर होता है, दूसरी बार पहुंचते हैं तो वो इन ऑर्डर होता है, और तीसरी बार पहुंचते हैं तो वो पोस्ट ऑर्डर. कीप इन माइंड. ओके, सो वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हेयर. इसके लिए हम लोग को दैट लेफ्ट, रूट, राइट और समथिंग लाइक दैट वो सब याद रखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, इट्स सिंपल ट्रिक. ओके, लेट्स मूव. सबसे पहले हम लोग आ रहे हैं यहाँ से A to B. तो हम लोग फर्स्ट टाइम A पे ट्रैवल किए, वी विल राइट A इन प्री ऑर्डर. ओके, देन विल मूव टू B. फर्स्ट टाइम B पे, देन प्री ऑर्डर B. देन फर्स्ट टाइम D पे आए अभी हम लोग, तो दिस इज प्री ऑर्डर. ओके, देन फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम, सो इट विल बी इन कंसिडर्ड इन ऑर्डर. ओके, नाउ फॉर द थर्ड टाइम, सो इट विल बी post order. Okay, again we'll move to B, and for the second time we have came over here, so it will be in order. Okay, then there E is where for the first time we are visiting over here, so it is pre-order. Okay, again we are visiting this, so it is in order, and again for the third time, so it is post order. Okay, again we'll visit B. We have visited for the third time, so it is post order. Okay, then we'll come to A for the second time, so it is in order. Okay, next we'll move to C. For the first time it is pre-order. Then we'll move to F for the first time, it is also pre-order. Then we will move F for the second time, it is in order. Again for the third time it is post order. Then we move towards C for the second time, so it is in order. We move towards G for the first time, so it is pre-order. We move towards this for the second time, it is in order. Towards this for the third time, it is post order. Then again we reach to C for the third time, it is post order. And again back to A for the third time, it is post order. That's it. Here's the homework question. Just try it by yourself, okay? And do send the answer in the comment section. Do post it over there, okay? Okay, so that's all for today. And if you have any doubt or query regarding this or previous topics, make sure you post it on the comment section. Thank you and happy learning.